In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Nintendo Switch online gift card. Let's start right at the source. Open the official Nintendo eShop website or a trusted retailer's site that sells digital gaming cards. Sticking with recognized retailers helps you avoid invalid codes or region issues. Once you're there, use the search bar and type Nintendo eShop gift card if you want funds for games and add-ons, or type Nintendo Switch Online Membership Card if you're looking for the online subscription that enables multiplayer, cloud saves in supported titles, and access to classic game libraries. Next, decide which type fits your goal. An eShop gift card adds money to your Nintendo account, letting you buy games, DLC, and more at your own pace. A Switch Online membership card activates or extends your subscription. If you're unsure, think about whether you want spending flexibility for purchases or ongoing online features for your console. Now choose the amount or plan. For eShop funds, common amounts include $10, $20, $35, and $50. For the membership, pick a 3-month or 12-month plan. The annual plan often offers better value if you plan to use the service all year. Select how you want it delivered. You can get a digital code by email, which is fast and convenient, or a physical card from a store. Digital delivery is typically the quickest option, but double-check your email address to make sure the code arrives in the right inbox. If you prefer a physical card, be mindful of shipping or pickup times. Enter your details carefully. Provide the correct email address for digital delivery or the accurate shipping address for a physical card. Then add your payment information, such as a debit or credit card or PayPal, depending on what the retailer supports. Make sure your billing details are correct to avoid delays. Before you finalize, take a moment to review everything. Confirm the card type, the amount or membership length, the delivery method, and your contact details. It's also wise to verify that the card's region matches your Nintendo account region, since codes are often region locked. When everything looks good, click Buy or Checkout to place the order. For digital purchases, watch your email for the code and check your spam or promotions folder if you don't see it right away. To redeem on your Nintendo Switch, open the Nintendo eShop, select Enter Code, and type in the code exactly as shown. Confirm, and you're done. You'll see your funds added to your balance or your membership extended on your Nintendo account. Keep your receipt or confirmation email handy in case you need support later. Enjoy your new games or your upgraded online features.